In today's class we will be learning the topic, home economics. Definition of home economics. Home economics is a field focused on enhancing family life by preparing individuals for family living, identifying their needs, devising ways to meet those needs, and improving goods and services like food, clothing, and housing. Home economics is also defined as a means of careful management of human and material resources for individual, family and community development. Major areas in home economics. Home economics is made up of many areas. These areas can be grouped into 7 major areas. Food and nutrition. It deals with the study of foods and their nutrients. Clothing and textiles. It deals with textiles, designing and sewing of clothes. Home management. It deals with the process of using those things which the family has, to obtain the things needed by the family. Consumer education. It teaches people how to make wise decisions when selecting or buying goods and services. Housing and interior decoration. It deals with provision of housing for the family. It also involves planning available space in the house, selection and arrangement of pieces of furniture and other decorative pieces in the house. Child development and care. It deals with how children grow and develop. It deals with how to care for children properly. Family living. It deals with how people live in the family. It teaches people how to maintain good relationship in the family. Home economics covers food and nutrient study, clothing and textile design, home management, consumer education, housing and interior decoration, child development and care, and fostering positive family relationships. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.